Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, this is the fourth part of our series how to make money from video editing. In today's video I will teach you how you can earn good amount of money by providing the documentary video editing services. So we choose Fiverr for this purpose because Fiverr is one of the best freelancing platforms, and you can also sell the skill on other freelancing platforms like Upwork and other platforms, freelancers. So I'm opening fiverr.com, and here I search for documentary editing. So as you can see, there are 861 results, mean low competition, niche. I will edit documentary video in a dynamic and creative way. Okay, I will do documentary and true crime video editing for YouTube. Okay, so let's analyze. I will edit professional documentary videos. So let's analyze these gigs and let's see. He have only one package, exclusive package. He charged $55. Price depends upon the project length. Contact in inbox before placing order. So you can analyze his gig and see what he is providing, and he got 29 5-star reviews and one order in queue, which means he completed almost 100 orders. And because do not everyone do not give a review, so that's it. Let's analyze second gig. I will do documentary true crime video editing for YouTube DR instantly style. Okay, in basic he charged $10, 2 minutes plus one documentary or crime video editing with script, thumbnail, voiceover. In standard $20, 4 minutes. In premium $45, 10 minutes plus one documentary or video editing crime style. Let's check out his portfolio. So he got good skills, and you can check out his gig and check out his portfolio to more about his skill. So last is Aryan Khan, and in basic he charged $20, in standard he charged $190, and in premium he charged $280. Means there is a high demand of this skill. So that's it. For today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.